Okay, good morning. Welcome po sa ating channel, and bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe, at pindutin na rin yung notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about special products and factoring. Okay, so special products and factoring, upon completion, you should be able to find special products and factor a polynomial completely. Special products rules for finding products in a faster way, and long multiplication is the last resort. So first, we have the product of two binomials. So ito yung pattern niya. So the quantity of ax plus b times the quantity of cx plus d, so equals acx squared plus the quantity of ad plus bc times x plus bd. So ayan ang pattern sa product of two binomials. You have i-apply mo na lang yung FOIL method dyan. So example, so the quantity of 2x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 7. So applying FOIL method, f is the first, 2x times x, that is 2x squared. Then outer, 2x times negative 7, that is negative 14x. And negative 3x, multiply natin kay x, that is negative 3x. Then negative 3, so last term, last na tayo, negative 3 times negative 7, that is positive 21. Okay? Ano na natin para makaano tayo. So, i-simplify natin yan, 2x squared. So, i-combine natin ito. That is, the result is negative 17x. Kasi same ano yan, pareho sila ng sign. So if we are going to add the same sign, we have to copy the common sign, then add, then plus 21. Okay? Next, you have to answer this one, 1, 2, 3. Screenshot mo na lang and paki-comment na lang sa comment section. Okay? Kung nasagot mo yung number 1, number 2, at saka yung number 3. Okay, next, square of binomial tayo. So, square of binomial, may dalawa tayong topic sa positive at saka negative. Square of a plus b, or the quantity of a plus b raised to the power of 2, or squared. Kasi ano tayo square of binomial. So, yung pattern niya, a squared tapos 2ab plus b squared. Dito naman sa negative, the square of the quantity of a minus b, or the quantity of a minus b raised to the power of 2. So, yung pattern natin dito is a squared tapos negative 2ab plus b squared. Sample. So, number 1, the quantity of 2x minus 3y raised to the power of 2. Okay, ngayon, apply natin yung pattern. So, take note, yung nasa negative, kung negative ito, so dito tayo sa pattern number 2. Ito yung gamitin natin. Okay? So, equals, so, a squared yan, diba? So, ito yung a natin, si 2x, yung b naman, ito yung 3y. So, therefore, yung a squared natin is 2x, tapos squared. Okay? Huwag kalimutan yung squared dito, kasi squared yung mula sa pattern. Then next, negative 2, always yan 2. Always yan. Then, a, ibig sabihin yung 2x. Okay? Tapos b naman, si b, ito, yung b ay negative 3y or 3y. Okay? Disregard pala yung ano pa yan, sign. Sorry. Then, plus b squared. Ang b squared natin is 3y squared. Okay? Tapos, simplify natin yan. So, that is equal to 4x squared. Kasi dalawang 2x yan. Ibig sabihin, 4x squared. Then, minus 12xy. Kasi simplify na yan lahat. 2 times, negative 2 times 2x Negative 4x times 3y is negative 12xy. Then plus 9y squared. Okay? Then proceed tayo sa product of sum and difference. So dito naman yung pattern. So the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a minus b, that is equal to a squared minus b squared. So example tayo. So the quantity of 2x plus 3y squared times the quantity of 2x minus 3y squared. So ang pattern simple lang, a squared tapos minus b squared. Kasi ano to sum and difference. Ito yung sum, ito yung difference. Okay? So, take note, yung 2x natin ay yung a, at saka yung b natin ay ito yung 3y squared. Okay? So, therefore, yung a natin na 2x, that is 2x squared, pattern natin, minus b squared man yan. So, ang b natin is 3y squared. So, therefore, that is equal to the quantity of 3y squared raised to the power of 2. Then, simplify. That is equal to 4x squared minus 9y to the 4th power. Okay? Next is cube of binomial. So, ang pattern naman natin dito, the quantity of a plus b raised to the power of 3. So, yung a natin, meron siyang cube or a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube. Okay, so number 1, okay, yung pattern natin, tingnan natin yung pattern dyan. So, equals x squared, okay, x cube, sorry, x cube, then plus 3, huwag kalimutan yan, then a squared, ibig sabihin, yung first term natin na x, so mayroon siyang squared, tapos b natin na y squared, okay, plus 3, tapos yung a naman na x, ito yung a, ito yung a, ito yung b, okay. Tapos yung b na tayo, nasa y squared raised to the power of 2. Kasi merong squared si b dyan, merong squared. Then yung sa last term na tayo, kay b cube, ibig sabihin, y squared raised to the power of 3. Okay, yan. Plus y squared raised to the power of 3. Then simplify natin yan, x cube plus 3x squared y squared plus 3x y to the 4th power plus y to the 6th power. Okay, next number 2. 2x minus 3y, so raised to the power of 3. Okay, so yung a natin magiging 2x cubed plus 3 times 2x squared minus 3y plus 3 times 2x times 3y squared plus 3y, or the quantity of 3y, or negative 3y raised to the power of 3. Then, simplify natin yan lahat. That is, si 2x raised to the power of 3 magiging 8x cubed. Kasi 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So, magiging 8x cubed. Then, ito, yan. This is 4 times 4x times 2x times 2x, that is 4x times 3, 12, diba? Times negative 3y, so that is negative 36x squared y. Okay, so simplify na natin to lahat yan. That is 54x y squared. Tapos ito, multiply natin yan si negative 3y 3 times, that is negative 27y cubed. Kasi negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Tapos multiply naman siya ng negative 3, so that is negative 27y cubed. Okay, dito na naman tayo sa product of a binomial, and a trinomial. Okay, yung pattern na naman dyan is the quantity of a plus b tapos times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that is equal to a cubed b cubed. Dito naman sa negative, so the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus b plus ab plus b squared. So equals ito naman a cubed minus b cubed. Sample number 1, okay? So sample number 1, so the quantity of x plus y squared times the quantity of x squared minus xy squared plus y to the 4th power. Okay, tingnan natin yung pattern. Madali lang to. So, yung first term is a cube. Ibig sabihin, ito yung a natin, ito yung b. Oh, simple. Diba? So, plus y to the 6th power. Kasi, b cube kasi yan. So, ito yung y squared. Diba? Tapos, meron tayong, yung b is merong power na 3. So, ibig sabihin, we have to multiply si y squared 3 times. So, y squared times y squared times y squared. So, that's why nagiging y to the 6th power. Number 2, 2x minus 3y times the quantity of 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. So, yung pattern, simple lang. Yung 2x, ito yung a. Diba? Atos yung 3y, yan ang negative 3y, yun ang b. Okay? So simplify, magiging 8x cubed minus 27y cubed. Number 3 is the quantity of x minus y times x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, gamitan mo na lang ng pakisagot na lang sa sa comment section. Okay, yung number 3. Okay, proceed tayo sa factoring. Next na naman tayo, next video ko na naman ito ituloy kasi nasa 12 minutes na tayo. Okay po, so again, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin yung notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.